Hi, Cornell Tech Admissions. My name is Rongli. I'm from UCLA. I'm going to answer the questions in order. For the first question, what I know about Cornell Tech and why I'm interested in the specific program I have applied to. I think Cornell Tech offers many unique opportunities that cannot be found at other schools. There are two things I want to talk about, the curriculum and entrepreneurship. Cornell Tech's curriculum combines computer science, business, and entrepreneurship together and offering an innovative project courses like studio courses. As I learned more about computer science master program in Cornell Tech, I discovered that the product studio and the startup studio can get me through the process of building a product from 0 to 1 and even launch it to the public. This is really rare in school curriculum. And also I have a chance to collaborate with students from different departments to solve some real-world business problems and gain some practical experiences. The curriculum above I just talked about is not only very unique, but also very attractive to me. I believe the deliberate practice is a prerequisite for success. And I am the one who wants to create my own company to help people with mental illness. I think the resources like connection with New York City's entrepreneur communities and the support from Cornell Tech can help me to practice my entrepreneurial skills and refine my entrepreneurial ideas. For the second question, think about the last teamwork. What did I enjoy the most and what did I enjoy the least? During the fall semester of 2022, my class group worked on a project about analyzing the user reviews and user ratings on the Yelp dataset. I mostly enjoyed the process of problem solving, but the part that made me uncomfortable was the performance of team members below my expectations. There is a conflict between two team members, member A and member B. When we wrote about final report, member A believed that final report was good enough, but member B thought we will fail if we submit that final report. And she wanted to form a new group with me and to rewrite the final report. This is how I solved the conflict. First, I took the time to understand the progress of final report and communicate with each team members. And then I discovered the problem was member A's laziness, and member A and member B didn't talk smoothly, which caused member B wanted to leave the group. After I found the problems and understanding everyone's strengths, I reset the goals and reassigned tasks based on team members' interests, so they were willing to work together again. Although there were some collaboration issues, but finally we completed a high-quality final report and received an A on final grades. Afterward, I think about the part I enjoyed the least. I realized that everyone has different backgrounds, knowledge, and understandings. So I shouldn't use my high expectations to everyone. I should discuss and set common performance expectations to team members so everyone can work on the same page. Therefore, in the future collaborations, I will avoid bringing my subjective emotions and expectations into the process. For the third question, what are my professional plans after I graduate from Cornell Tech? I would like to start a software company to address two issues in the mental health industry that I discovered during my personal experience with depression. The first issue is the long waiting time for patients to receive a diagnosis and treatment from doctor. The second issue is the doctor really need to spend a very long time to find an effective treatment approach. I'm going to talk about 4 goals of my company. First, I want to use existing mental health databases and psychological health diagnostic questions to analyze and develop a lower cost and lower cost tests and provide a brief diagnosis of mental illness. And through collaborate with school counseling centers, community counseling centers, and hospitals to provide a corresponding psychological treatment plans. In the second stage, I want to create a chatbot. That chatbot can chat with patients during a long waiting time for consultation. And the chatbot can also analyze and record patients' psychological status using the language models, which allows doctors to effectively track patients' psychological daily changes. In a third step, I want to track patients' treatment process, use medication, behavioral therapy as features, and combine with patients' feedback to analyze which group of treatment approach is most effective for patients. And also in the fourth step, I want to use virtual reality devices to build a virtual world to provide desensitization treatment for patients with depression and PTSD. In addition, I hope use the knowledge and resources I gained from Cornell Tech to dedicate my life to help more and more people who has mental illness. This is all of my answers. Thank you for taking your time to review my videos. Thank you.